and welcome back to Super Slick Slimes. Today I'm with Ella, because this is my channel now.
She's Kyla, by the way.
Hi.
And we're playing with the slime from my last video.
You should watch it.
60-second slime challenge. I'll link that down below. And today we'll be doing
And Ella got slime on my shirt.
I did not.
Blindfolded
slime challenge. So,
first I have to add more sense. And then I'll be
So, for this challenge, I already did one with her, so this is kind of be like a part 2.
Yeah, you should watch the other one in the description.
It's linked down below again. I'll probably forget though to link it. That's me. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. So we're gonna have 3 rounds.
Ella.
We're gonna have 3 rounds. It's gonna be fluffy slime, butter slime, and
Slime.
some other slime. I don't know yet. So yeah, let's just get on with the video. Okay guys, so this is the first round of fluffy slime. So
Oh, I found the glue. Is this the easy open one? No.
I got it. No. Okay. This is the foaming hand wash. So I am good.
Are we doing the fluffy slime?
Yes.
Imagine if this was 60 seconds times 2. Wait, move your arm. It's above my ball.
Oh, sorry. I can't find anything. Give me a glue now. Stop. Don't put a lot. Don't put a lot.
How do you know I was putting a lot?
I did.
Unless you were looking.
I'm not. I just
Now
said
it's raining color.
I just said don't put a lot because I don't want it. Okay.
I think this is like orange, but I don't know. Imagine if this is time. That would be so stressful.
We should try and do it. This is like the only. Okay. I'm gonna do this for coloring.
Yeah, I'm doing this, but I don't know what it is.
I think
mine's red.
I think mine's blue. Here's mine. Mine's not like the gel one. Mine are like the other one.
Mine's the packet. Mine's the gel packet.
Oh my god. Okay, I mixed mine.
Now, what do you need? Shaving cream or contact lens? Oh, I got the contact lens solution.
Okay, I got shaving cream.
I think mine's red. Yeah, it feels like red.
Why is mine not working?
Probably got the bad one.
Wait, watch out. Wait, I think here's contact lens.
There's more contact lens solution.
Okay, so I need to find the shaving cream.
I'm not telling you where it is because I didn't just use it. Where's the contact lens?
You used it, so. That's pretty good. Oh my god. What? Okay. What am I looking for?
Why isn't it coming out? Oh, the cap's on.
Wait, foaming hand wash.
Did I already put this in? Are you making fluffy slime?
Yes.
Is there any possible way you can open contact lens solution right now? And squirt it in my bowl.
I'll try it.
Good. Oh, you're not getting it on my arm!
What?
You got it on my arm.
Sorry. Try my best.
Didn't even get in the bowl, I don't think at all.
See, isn't this fun? Okay.
No, not yet.
Okay, can we open your eyes?
No. Should we yet?
I'm done.
Okay, me too. Ooh, I got purple!
I got yellow.
Oh, it wasn't. Oops.
I don't like it. I feel mine.
Oh, yours sucks.
What did you expect?
I won.
I didn't even feel. Here is my slime. It kind of looks good on camera. But then when you try to stretch it, It's not that good because I added too much shaving cream.
It's like really fluffy. I won because hers doesn't even like stretch.
And I like your color better.
Yeah.
They look like Easter colors.
Smoothie.
Jump rope. You ready? Ready, guys? I'm gonna get this in my hair.
Can I try?
I can't jump rope in the first. Okay, guys. So I can find the glue before Kyla.
I got it.
Okay. So I am going to get all my supplies ready.
What do you put in? Glue?
Just regular. Just don't make it fluffy. Like don't make it fluffy.
I know this color doesn't feel good.
I like this color. Actually, is this a good color? I don't know. Okay, I think this is a good color.
So do I just do the glue, then the coloring, then what? What? What do I do? The glue, then the coloring?
I think I like.
What do I do after the glue and the coloring?
Just make
Random.
make regular slime.
Okay,
Okay, I think it's either between these two colors. I think this is pink, and I think this is green. I want to make this green. No, I think it's opposite. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. I'm gonna choose this one. I hope it's a good color. I'm scared. I don't think it's a good color. Okay, where's the glue? I didn't put anything in my bowl yet.
I don't know. I put it somewhere to hide it from you, but it's on the table.
What? Oh, thanks. Can you come down here? I'm kind of in the middle of something.
No, I'm not coming down yet, so if you want it, you can come get it.
Ah! Damn. Did you see? Where's my bowl? Oh.
I don't know. Where is your bowl?
I'll make it some slime. I'll make it some slime.
Wait, there's
Oh,
nothing.
yeah. Okay, there's no more. Come on. This is not the good shape. Okay, guys, here is my clay. I think this clay's red. I hope.
Why? Because you don't even know what color the
Well, I
slime
don't-
is.
Well, but maybe the side's blue. If I mix red and blue together, it'd be purple. Yeah.
Mine
I bet mine's gonna turn like brown or something.
I bet mine is red coloring and blue clay.
I think I have red coloring and like green dot or something. Oh, sorry. What color is this? I really want to know.
Mine's probably like poop color.
Mine too. I can just picture it being
I can picture the way mine feels. It's like a vomit color,
vomit.
like an ugly greenish. No, I think it feels like actually an orange-ish.
Mine feels.
No, not orange. Not orange.
Wait, I want to see if I can like.
It feels blue. It feels blue. It's blue. It's blue slime, guys. I know it. I know this.
I think mine feels
Mine's blue. Mine's blue.
brown. Brown.
Mine's blue. I know it. I know it. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the good color. Oh, mine's like a camel color.
Camel. It looks like queso. Doesn't it?
And
It's gotta look like
the
vomit.
It has like the lumps, and it's like gross.
It does look like vomit.
What? Oh, I use this clay.
I use.
And
I use
this
my
coloring.
good clay.
I use this neon green and purple clay. you get queso dip.
I get
Chunky queso.
I got this, but I don't know what color I used.
You probably like use like red if it's making purple.
But this isn't purple, it's like pink. This is Kyla's queso slime.
Queso dip slime. And this is my fluffy slime.
It's like lavender.
Lavender. So here we go.
It's so funny how you mix things. Like try to make it so creative.
Try to do it differently because I don't want to do the same thing as everybody else. I want to make my own version.
Okay, this is her final color.
No, I didn't even mix it all yet.
I don't know what color that is.
It's basically just like the queso, but like with a bit of like purple.
Yeah.
So this is Ella's. I did not throw the slime on it. Just gonna mix it. It takes so long when you mix.
Stop. I'm mixing it nicely. What are you doing? Kyla, this is Kyla. Stop getting off topic. Oh no, it's getting harder.
Yeah, so the yellow one we just added lotion. Well, she just added lotion into,
And it's still harder. It's still hard.
Okay.
Okay, so here's my end result. I think it's pretty good. The yellow just made it a little bit harder, and the color a little bit weirder. But like, you know, it's fine. And she's playing with the other slime that we made from the 60-second slime challenge. And I think that slime smoothies came out better than this. But yeah, I won, I guess.
So now we're gonna mix them together.
Both.
They're
of
like
them
almost
together.
the same color though.
Yeah, hers is just a little darker, I think. So you can't even like see the marble. Wait, keep it there. See, that's hers and that's mine. You can't see it. You're so harsh. Yes.
Okay, you guys ready? I'm gonna make a swirl.
Okay. Ready? Watch this perfecto swirl. Ooh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh. Ready? Wait. So I won this challenge.
I won this challenge.
Kyla
60
won
second.
Kyla won the last challenge. So yeah, I
You
guess
should watch it.
We should have one day. We should have a tiebreaker.
For the 2 challenges.
Who is the best slime maker? So stay tuned for that, which is probably going to be like 6 months. Bye!
That was perfect timing.
Oh.